Welcome to our deep dive today.
Yeah, we have a great topic.
We will explore the dinner dilemma.
It is a very common problem.
We look at everyday food choices.
Our mission is to explore this.
We will explain common English phrases.
Right, using very simple everyday words.
So, it is 6 o'clock.
You just finished a long workday.
Yeah, you are very, very tired.
Your stomach makes a loud noise.
Do you cook dinner tonight?
Or do you order food delivery?
That is the big daily dilemma.
Everyone faces this exact same problem.
I mean, I face it daily.
Your brain wants a fast reward.
My tired body refuses to stand.
I completely understand that feeling.
I usually want a hot pizza.
Oh, pizza's always a favorite.
The warm cheese looks incredibly delicious.
It is a very easy choice.
But, I am a foodie.
Wait, what is a foodie?
Well, a foodie loves good food.
Oh, someone who loves great meals.
Exactly. I care about excellent flavors.
You enjoy discovering very unique dishes.
My taste buds demand high quality.
But is a foodie just hungry?
That is a really good question.
Hunger is just a biological drive.
Yeah, your body simply needs fuel.
So hunger makes everything taste great.
A plain cracker becomes incredibly delicious.
But a foodie is totally different.
Right, a foodie wants an experience.
They seek true, real culinary quality.
That makes perfect sense to me.
You love trying fresh local restaurants.
I really enjoy finding perfect spices.
But, you have a problem.
Yeah, I order delivery way too often.
Ordering food every day is bad.
It builds a really terrible habit.
Cooking food requires too much time.
I just lack the required energy.
So you take the easy way.
Yeah, I just grab a bite.
Grab a bite. What means that?
It means eating something quick.
Oh, a quick and simple meal.
Exactly. Grabbing a bite is fast.
Your tired brain loves instant fixes.
I skip the long cooking prep.
You avoid chopping onions and garlic?
I avoid boiling huge water pots.
Grabbing a bite is purely convenient.
Convenience is a very powerful trap.
It tricks your tired human brain.
I ignore the hidden negative costs.
Your fast dinner has real consequences.
We should talk about those costs.
Let us start with the money.
Food delivery drains your bank account.
It really is quite expensive.
You pay the basic menu price.
Then you pay extra service fees.
The total cost doubles very quickly.
Restaurant apps use clever pricing tricks.
They hide the fees until later.
You pay for distance and speed.
Plus, you must tip the driver.
Right. The driver brings the food.
Tipping adds another huge extra cost.
Cooking at home is budget-friendly.
Budget-friendly, you mean it saves money?
Yes, it is good for your wallet.
Oh, it keeps money right there.
Grocery shopping is a smart investment.
A huge bag of rice is cheap.
Dry beans cost almost nothing today.
You can feed yourself for days.
A potato costs mere pocket change.
Bulk ingredients offer amazing financial value.
One restaurant meal costs $20.
$20 buys many home meals.
So cooking is very budget-friendly.
I understand the clear financial logic.
Your wallet definitely suffers every day.
But, I am just tired.
Physical exhaustion defeats your basic logic.
After work, I have zero energy.
Your workday drains your physical battery.
Standing in a kitchen feels impossible.
Your muscles demand complete, absolute rest.
So, I turn into a couch potato.
Aha, wait, a couch potato?
Yeah, lazy person on the sofa.
Oh, someone who just lies down.
Exactly. I stare blankly at walls.
You refuse to move your legs.
My shoes stay on my feet.
Your body enters deep recovery mode.
The soft sofa is a magnet.
It pulls your tired body downward.
I just stare at my phone.
Ordering requires moving only one thumb.
My brain loves that tiny effort.
Chopping carrots requires intense physical focus.
The couch potato always chooses apps.
Moving one thumb is incredibly easy.
Washing pans uses too many muscles.
The phone stores your credit card.
The friction of cooking is huge.
Technology removes all the ordering friction.
Apps are designed for tired people.
They profit from your daily exhaustion.
Let us examine the cooking process.
Think about making a simple soup.
You must open the refrigerator door.
You must find the fresh vegetables.
Every single step drains your battery.
You must wash them with water.
You must peel the hard carrots.
You must slice the strong onions.
Your brain must make many choices.
How much salt should you add?
Is the hot soup ready yet?
Decision fatigue makes cooking feel terrible.
I completely understand that decision fatigue.
Your job requires making hard choices.
You cannot make more evening choices.
Exactly. My mental capacity is gone.
You want someone else to decide.
The delivery app offers easy pictures.
I just point at the screen.
Pointing at pictures is very relaxing.
I am buying relaxation, not food.
You pay money to avoid work.
That is the true delivery product.
But that product is dangerously expensive.
My monthly credit card bill hurts.
The money is not the only loss.
Right. My physical health takes a hit.
Home cooking builds really healthy bodies.
You control every single raw ingredient.
You decide what enters your stomach.
Restaurants use too much hidden butter.
They add lots of extra salt.
Salt and butter make food delicious.
But they ruin your blood pressure.
Home cooks measure their cooking oil.
You bake foods instead of frying.
You serve huge portions of vegetables.
Nutrition is easier in your kitchen.
But delivery is my guilty pleasure.
What is a guilty pleasure?
It is bad, but brings happiness.
Oh, something bad you really love.
Yes, it gives my brain joy.
Like eating greasy burgers at night.
Exactly. Greasy burgers are a guilty pleasure.
The melted cheese coats your tongue.
The toasted bun absorbs the fat.
That fat triggers a dopamine release.
Your brain loves dense calorie sources.
Humans evolved to crave fatty foods.
We needed fat to survive winters.
So your brain tricks your stomach.
It thinks winter's coming soon.
It demands an extra double cheeseburger.
You feel great for 10 minutes.
Then the heavy food coma hits.
You feel very sluggish and tired.
Your energy crashes to the floor.
That is the guilty pleasure cycle.
Cooking avoids that terrible energy crash.
You feel light and very active.
You digest your food very easily.
But the source makes another point.
Yes, about how cooking saves time.
Cooking saves time. That sounds wrong.
It saves time if you plan.
Oh, planning ahead changes the game.
You do the hard work early.
Sunday becomes your main cooking day.
You roast a huge whole chicken.
You chop a mountain of vegetables.
You boil a massive pasta pot.
You pack everything in glass boxes.
Weekday cooking just becomes heating food.
It takes only 3 quick minutes.
That is faster than food delivery.
A driver needs 30 long minutes.
Your pre-made food is instantly ready.
You win the evening time battle.
But I disagree with that argument.
Oh, really? Why do you disagree?
Delivery means no dishes to wash.
Ah, no dishes. That is true.
That is the ultimate time saver.
Dirty dishes are a terrible chore.
Sinks fill up with greasy pans.
Washing them ruins your clean hands.
Scrubbing pots requires very hot water.
Your fingers get uncomfortably wrinkly.
You must dry everything with towels.
Then you must put plates away.
It feels like a second job.
No one wants a second job.
We want our evening leisure time.
Delivery guarantees absolute evening leisure time.
I hate scrubbing burnt cooking pans.
The soapy water gets everywhere, always.
Delivery brings perfectly clean trash boxes.
You wipe your mouth with napkins.
You throw the paper box away.
The cleanup takes exactly 5 seconds.
Your kitchen counter remains perfectly clean.
You immediately return to the sofa.
You resume your favorite television show.
That magic trick is worth money.
But both paths have major traps.
Let us review the deep contrast.
Cooking is healthy and very cheap.
Delivery is fast and insanely easy.
Extreme choices usually fail over time.
Always cooking causes terrible mental burnout.
Never cooking is incredibly, insanely expensive.
How do normal people actually survive?
We need a realistic daily plan.
The source offers a smart solution.
We should cook on the weekdays.
Monday through Friday are for kitchens.
We protect our health and money.
We establish incredibly healthy eating habits.
Then Friday night finally arrives safely.
The long, hard work week is over.
We order delivery on the weekends.
This creates a perfect psychological balance.
It is the best of both worlds.
The best of both worlds.
Yes, you get benefits of both.
Oh, health and convenience together?
Exactly. You save your money weekly.
But you still enjoy delicious treats.
Weekend delivery feels like a prize.
It is a reward for cooking.
Rewards reinforce your good weekly habits.
I look forward to Saturday night.
You earn your lazy weekend evening.
Earning the reward makes it better. The burger tastes so much richer.
The convenience feels totally, truly justified.
So this compromise works very well.
It solves our current modern dilemma.
You manage your extreme daily exhaustion.
And then I have a strange thought.
Oh, what is your strange thought?
The rules are changing very rapidly.
Our food systems are evolving constantly.
Delivery networks grow stronger every day.
Robot kitchens are cooking food faster.
Machines chop the onions very quickly.
What if food delivery becomes cheaper?
Cheaper than buying basic raw groceries.
That changes the entire math completely.
Imagine huge swarms of delivery drones.
Flying robots drop boxes from skies.
They deliver hot meals for pennies.
The delivery fee simply drops away.
A robot makes my hot soup.
A drone flies it to me.
It costs less than grocery carrots.
The budget argument just fully disappears.
Cooking would become completely optional.
There'd be an expensive hobby.
People would only cook for fun.
If delivery is incredibly, insanely cheap,
And it creates zero dirty dishes.
will anyone ever cook dinner again?
Will house kitchens slowly disappear forever?
Future houses might lack cooking stoves.
We might forget how to chop.
That thought is deeply, profoundly strange.
I love my modern food apps.
But I want to keep kitchens.
Cooking connects us to our ancestors.
It is a core human tradition.
We should protect that valuable knowledge.
Even if robots make cheap burgers.
Hold on to your kitchen pans tightly.
Chop an onion for practice tonight.
Then order a nice weekend pizza.
Find that perfect, beautiful, balanced life.
Thank you for thinking with us.
Ponder that strange drone delivery future.
Enjoy your next delicious warm dinner.
Keep exploring those daily hidden habits.